Hey foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Today we are about to embark on a flavor-packed journey into the wonderful world of carrot cake creations. Get ready for a treat that'll leave your taste buds tingling. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our fantastic foodie community. Alright, let's roll. Classic carrot cake. The OG of carrot cakes, the classic never goes out of style. Imagine sinking your fork into a moist, spiced slice topped with that heavenly cream cheese frosting. It's not just a dessert, it's a nostalgic trip to culinary perfection. Tropical twist. Feeling a bit exotic? Take your taste buds on a journey with a tropical twist. Picture a carrot cake adorned with juicy pineapple chunks and a sprinkle of coconut shavings, elevating this classic dessert to a whole new paradise. Nutty Delight. For our nut enthusiasts, this one's for you. Indulge in the Nutty Delight where pecans and walnuts join forces to add a delightful crunch to every heavenly bite of this carrot masterpiece. Chocolate Fusion. Calling all chocoholics, brace yourselves for a decadent experience where carrot cake meet rich chocolate layers in perfect harmony. It's a chocolate fusion that's sure to satisfy the most intense chocolate cravings. And there you have it, folks. Different tastes in carrot cake creations. Which one are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your foodie friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep eating, keep smiling, and keep making those taste buds dance.